Assalamu alaikum. Class 3rd, subject English. Topic He is my brother. Subtopic New words, talk time. Talk time. Choose the correct answer. What went up the hill? A path, a street, a road, a rail line. Answer A path. Question number 2. What is the name of the girl in the story? Sima, Beena, Meena, Nina. Answer Meena. 3. How old was the girl? 10, 12, 9, 8. Answer 12. How old was the girl's brother? 5, 4, 6, 7. Answer 4. बस आज का सबक खत्म हुआ, इससे आगे आइंदा पढ़ेंगे।